Hello everyone and welcome to Why Exploration. Today we are gonna explore the Sacré-Cœur Church in Paris, a very beautiful place to see and to visit. Let's go! Like you can see, the building is really beautiful. I love the color it have, it's a really beautiful gray. I really love how it's done. Look how the tower is beautiful, really great. As you may notice, the sound you are hearing now is recorded at home. My microphone was not working outside and I'm really sad about that. So, how you can see now, I recorded the gargouille, how we call it in France. It's a sort of monsters, rock monsters, who were put on the churches in France, but also in Europe. They were made to afraid demons, like that. Demons were not going inside the churches. I really like the view we can get from of Paris from here. It's really, really beautiful. Let's go inside and see what we can discover. The place is really beautiful, it's all made with stone, and I really love the aspect of the stone, the colors. You can see that it's gray, it's black. Look at the doors also, they're really beautiful. When I was there, I also tried to record a beautiful view of Paris, but sadly the sky was really gray and it was really cold, but in summer it will be 10 times more beautiful. Let's go inside, guys, and see what we can discover. When I entered the church, I was hiding my cell phone, but I have seen that a lot of people were taking photos, recording, so I begin to do the same. I really recorded the most beautiful things I saw there, and it was really, really cool. The inside of the Sacré-Cœur is really beautiful. There's a lot of things to see and to discover inside. The inside of the Sacré-Cœur was really quiet. I wasn't able to explain in live what I was recording or showing. It's not like Urbex when you can speak and explain what you are doing, what you are seeing and recording. Let's get out of the church and let's discover what we can find around it. There's a lot of beautiful places you can discover around the Sacré-Cœur. First of all, we are going downstairs to see the view that we can have from there. Then I will show you the way to go to the Sacré-Cœur with the funiculaire. It's a sort of elevator, I don't know how we call it in English. Like you can see, you can come to the Sacré-Cœur with taxis, but it's quite expensive. I really recommend to you to use the metro to discover Paris more easily. So, this is the funicular of Montmartre. It's really easy to find. Now I'm gonna show you the map. First of all, there is But Montmartre downstairs and Sacré-Cœur upstairs. To come here you can use the line 2, 4 and 12 of the metro. For the people who don't want to go to the Sacré-Cœur with the funicular, you can easily use the stairs. It's free and it's good for your health. Guys, let's go back upstairs and let's try to discover new things. In Montmartre, you will discover a lot of things. A statue of Dalida, a French and Egyptian singer and actress. And now I'm heading to the Pink House. La Maison Rose is a really famous place in Paris, and especially in Montmartre. It was painted by an artist in the 1900s. And from that time, the house became really famous all over the world. After being in La Maison Rose, I told myself that it was time to go home because it was really cold. Then I discovered a windmill. In Paris in the past, there was a lot of windmills. Then I discovered a new place with a beautiful view of Paris. Really nice. I really love how the road is made by stone here. It's really special. You know that you are in Paris. If you're still watching the video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being stayed all this time, and I wish that you will come back the next time for new adventures. Thank you again, and see you soon.